when the frost bites the snow and Christmas comes around.
Hello guys, and welcome back to another video, and today we are back with the Lego Star Wars Advent Calendar, guys. Today we're on day number 21, so let's go on with it. There guys, today's build is supposed to be the twin pod car, or cloud car, from Empire Strikes Back. I believe it's the thing on Cloud City they use to transport. So guys, it's a nice build. I mean, the colour scheme is a little, obviously it's very accurate, but it doesn't look that good as a build. I mean, the colour scheme does not look attractive as a build, so not my favourite. It kind of stands out among everything that's like usually white and grey. It has something that's bright red in your face. I don't know, I'm not convinced by it. I mean, it's an accurate build, but it just doesn't look good. So today guys, we're slowly just coming towards the end, guys. We've got about 4 episodes left. Thank you so much for watching. That's it. Goodbye.